Viewers, welcome to my channel Electronic Secret. Today video is a Samsung TV black screen fix which have sound coming but no picture. Viewers, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it, and like my videos and hit the bell icon so you will get all my videos through notification. Viewers, this method works for all Samsung TVs. So watch my video till end. Now I will power it on. You can see that standby light is blinking. Now it is green, but there is no display, only black screen. Its sound is coming, but it have no display. Now I will open the case and show you how to fix this problem. Viewers, mostly the backlight strips are faulty, so whenever there is a problem of black screen, 99% chances are that its backlight strips are faulty. So you have to open the whole LED to check whether it's a backlight fault or it's a mainboard fault. But as I told you that the fault is maximum of backlight strips, so you have to change these. I will now show you step by step process of how to open and change the backlight strips and again assemble it, and then show you the final result. So don't skip any part, viewers. Whichever model of LED you have, Samsung TV, this method works for all TV. The only difference is that all the models have different backlight strips, so you will find the exact part number and backlight strip when you open it. Then you can install the same backlight strip. Remove all the cables and connector. This is the LVDS cable. Now there are tiny locks of plastic. You have to remove them one by one. This may also depend on different models, TV models. Some have screws, some have these tiny locks. So take a sharp small tip screwdriver and press gently outside the case. Press it gently outwards. Open the front cover. Now lift the panel carefully. Viewers, as I am telling you time to time that in the whole process, this is the main step of opening the LCD TV or LED TV. So take care of the panel, lift it carefully and put it on a side with very care so it could not be break by anything, because it is very delicate. Carefully lift it. It is glued with, I think it is glued. Now remove the plastic fitting of the panel. It have also little locks. Now there come the reflectors. Put them on side too. Now lift the paper, viewers. Underneath it there are backlight strips. Now you can check the LED strips by the help of LED tester. All LED strips have 2 points, checkpoints, positive and negative. You can check it by placing the red probe on the positive and black on the negative. If you have not the LED tester, you can comment. I will tell you how to check the LED strip, LED bulb one by one with the help of a normal multimeter, digital multimeter or analog meter. So I have LED tester. Now I will place the red probe on the positive and black on the negative. Viewers, you can see that this strip is working fine. All the lights are glowing. I will check it again. You can see that all the bulbs are glowing. Now I will check the other strip. Yes viewers, you can see that it is not working. This backlight is faulty. Now I will replace it and install a new one with the same part number. Viewers, I have just changed the backlight strip and installed the new backlight strip. Now I will check it again. Guys, I am giving you a tip that whenever you install a backlight strips or all the backlight strips, before you close a LED or case, always try to check it with the LED board or main LED power, because there should be some problem that may rise. Now I will power it on. So your LED is in open condition and you can change the lights or other faults like that. So always check. Now the red light is glowing. I will press the power key. Now you can see that our backlights will glow. Yes, all the backlights are glowing now. Now I will off it and assemble the LED again step by step. Pay attention how I will fix all the parts. Remove the buttons. Now again assemble, install all the parts I have removed step by step. First of all I will install the reflecting paper. Then the reflectors. Then the plastic fitting of panel. This fitting have also viewers little tiny locks, so gently lock them again. Carefully adjust these, because if it is not seated well, your panel will break. Take care on all the four sides. You can see that there are little locks. Special care is needed on removing and installing the panel. Now I will place the panel carefully inside all the four corners of the plastic fitting. Panel is very delicate, viewers. Do the step carefully, extreme carefully, because the panel cost is of the almost 80% of the LED TV unit. Now I will place the front cover bezel. Viewers, the black screen problem is mainly due to backlight strips, as I have told earlier. So whatever your TV model is, the same is the process of fixing this error. If you have no display, then 90% chances are your backlight strips are faulty. Just open the TV, remove the faulty ones and install new one. Your TV will back to life. Now I will connect all the connectors and now power it on and check it for the final time. Viewers, look at this. Our display is back and TV is working perfectly. So viewers, if you have enjoyed my video, kindly like it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you, friend.